We can also add a video file by clicking this icon, import files, select the video, open it. Now the project files are ready. We can add some more images to it. Again, import. We can select the image, open. Open. Yes. So now we have added almost every video clips and images that is required to create our video. Now the second step is to move these video clips to the timeline. This is called the timeline. Timeline is nothing but it represents the time of our video. You can see here you can zoom it, we can zoom in and zoom out so that we can see the timing of the video. We can adjust it accordingly. So this is the timeline, and now we have to add this in the particular order that we require to create the video. So first will be the opening slide. We can add the image first, then followed by the sequence, just drag and drop, and third one is this, and then the final one is the image. You can if you are not able to see it, you can just zoom out, and then you can add the slide at this position. So now we have arranged almost every clips in the sequence that we need. So this is the second step, and we can preview it whether it is in the sequence or not by, you can see the timeline marker is moving and it is going on, the video is running, and we can adjust the timing by adjusting here. Okay, so this is one option. Now the second option is we can select all the video, right click it, add to timeline. Now we can see another window like this, and we can arrange by the scroll buttons here. That should come down, thank you slide, and the other one should come up, image. So we have to click on this and go up, move up. So this is how we arrange it. Now we can adjust the starting time and ending time here. So all sorts of settings can be done here. Click OK. So everything will be aligned on the timeline. So this is yet another way of arranging our video clips. Now we can make it even more beautiful by learning some features. OpenShot provides a feature called animation. Here we can give animation, zoom in, zoom out, or we can give random. So that transition is there. You can see how it appears. Like that, we can give any type of animation. Here, start of the clip, zoom, center to edge, edge to center, like that.